He said a lot of Arabs, they have got a belief to read Surah Yaseen after the death of any Muslim.
As far as I remember, it should be read before death, not after death. While a person seems to be close to death, at that time it is a tradition which has been handed down to us from the time of Hadith sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that somebody should recite Surah Yaseen sitting close to the dying person. You see, in this Surah Yaseen, there is a promise of Allah, or made by Allah, for those souls which Allah will forgive. Salamun qawlun min Rabbir Rahim. Peace be on you. Qawlun min Rabbir Rahim is a word or a promise by God who is oft repeating in mercy and forgiveness. So many a time we have noticed that when the Qari, or the one who recites the Quran, reaches that spot, some good pious people whom we know have been pious, they give up their life just at that moment. So this is a blessing from Allah. Blessing. So that is why it is recited, and we have noticed. I have myself noticed this happen many times. As we reached that surah, the pious people gave up their soul. So this is a significance. After the person has died, what's the use of reciting this? It's meaningless, right?